Alright, wiper replacement video for a 2014 Chevy Spark, which is my daughter's car. I'm going to replace both of them because I bought a 2-pack. They're different sizes. All that information will be in the description for the video. So let's get right to it. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. There's a button here. You push in. And that's it. This one's completely roached. The rubber is completely gone. Oh, this one's a little more trickier. Yikes, almost lost my camera and almost broke the windshield. Nope, that's keeping it real. Did not try to do that. So that's what we got going on there. Trico 2-pack. I'm hearing parts in there, which is making me nervous. There's one of them. Hardware. That's the second one. And then this piece. And some directions. Alright, I have to put this adapter on. So this is the top of the blade. There's a button right here that you push just a little bit, and then you push this forward and it comes off. So I don't know if I could put it back on and do another demo. But that's how you do that. Let's try it with this one. This is the larger one. There's the button right there, and you're going to push this whole piece forward. So you push and then push that forward, and then this comes off. That's step one. And step two is putting these pieces on, which they should just snap in. Yep, there's one. Then there's this one. This is a smaller one. Slide it in there. Easier said than done. It snaps in. Now these should just snap onto the car. Should just slide in there and snap in. I guess, but nothing's easy in my experiences. There we go. There's blade number one. Trying to do this with one hand. Basically only one way these can go on there. Got a little sunlight out here. And I know these come off. That should be it.